on the pipe, pull the trigger. And there it is. Good. Do the same thing to the hot side now. If you're ever worried about the joint not being pressed properly, you can put the jaws on and press as many times as you want. It doesn't matter. You can press over and over again. So we cut this side. So just like before, sand it up, get all the burrs off, grab your valve. Make sure the handle's in the position that you want it to be. Take the part of it. Make sure the handle's in the position that you want it to be. Fit it up. Make sure it's all the way on. Mark it. Grab the gun. Fit it on. Just like that. Two brand new valves, right? Your cold water side, right? And we added one to the hot water side. If you remove a water heater, right, it links both hot and cold and hot. So if somebody upstairs turns on a faucet with no hot water supply, but it has cold water supply, that will run down the hot water pipe and make an absolute mess where you're trying to work. So if you can't guarantee that nobody's home, no one's going to run water, it's always a good bet to put a hot water valve in. Next thing we're going to do is disconnect the gas piping. We already turned it off, right? So we're going to use a pipe wrench and a pair of channel locks. Right here we have a half-inch steel union. Set the channel locks on the top nut. Hold back on the bottom nut. And just like anything else in plumbing, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once you get that nut broke, it should spin fairly easy. There it is. I'm going to disassemble the gas valve, move the water heater out of the way, and I'll put the new one into spot.